Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to draw a tree in your sketchbook app using only 3 simple steps. So first, make sure that you have a clean page. If you need to create a new page, you can click up the menu button, click New Sketch, and choose your size to create it. Also make sure that you are using the pencil brush, the pencil tool. Make sure that you have a good thickness or hardness and that it is not transparent. Make sure it's at 100%. Also make sure that you're using a color that you can see. So I'm just going to use black because that's the easiest thing to do. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our horizon line, which is the line that goes from left to right. And then on this horizon line, we are going to start drawing our tree. Okay, so we've got our ground and our sky. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do for our tree is we're going to draw one vertical line. This line goes from up and down, starting on our horizon line, moving up. That is the first step. The second step is to draw a vertical line that is parallel to our first one. So first step is one vertical line. Second step is another vertical line that is parallel to our first one. And then our third step is going to be to draw a letter V, where the point of the V is in the center of both of our parallel lines. So we draw a V. Okay, your V can go in any direction, it could be at any angle. If you want it to start off on the left side or the right side, you can do that as well. It's just a matter of where you want the center of your tree to be. Okay? So those are our 3 steps, and now what we're going to do is we're going to repeat those steps. Okay? So from this first vertical line that we drew, we're going to draw one line that is parallel to the left side of our V. And then we're going to draw another line from the right side, the second vertical line that is parallel to the right side of our V. So now we have our 2 parallel lines, and we're going to draw our V that goes in between them. Always make sure that the point of your V is above the end of these parallel lines. And now we repeat. Parallel line to the left side of our V, parallel line to the right side of our V. Don't worry if your lines aren't straight, because it is a tree. And we just continue going on. Adding your V's. And adding your parallel lines. When you want your branch to end, just make it very thin and make it come to a point. And that's how you draw your tree.